For this video, we're going to bring in another picture and carry out a different type of crop. We'll start by creating a new slide and we'll choose the blank slide. To insert a picture, this time we'll click on the Insert tab and Picture button. And let's select the jellyfish this time and Insert. The picture comes in quite large, so let's bring the size down a little. Yep, that's better. Then, keeping the picture selected, click on the Crop button and rest the cursor on Crop to Shape. Now we can choose from any shape in here, but from the flowchart section, let's select this wavy shape. Now we'll need to deselect to get a proper look at it, and that shape works perfectly with this particular picture. But don't forget, if we're not happy with it, we can always select Reset Picture and choose a different shape. But let's undo that and keep the wavy shape. In our next video, we'll look at how to remove an unwanted background from a picture. So if you're moving on to that next video called Remove the Background from a Picture, then you can keep this file open.